fam, what's poppin'? How's everybody doing today? Welcome back to the channel, everybody. So today's look is called the Incredible Hulk because we have our purples and our baby poop greens. Yes, it is similar to one of my looks that I've done before called Instagram Inspirations, and it's pretty much the same concept, only without like little glitter dots that go around your eye, but it does have the glitter liner. So yes, super cute. This time I did a different color underneath my waterline, so I really like this better. So we're going to go ahead and get started with this look, and if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to the channel because we love you and we need you. Go ahead and join the Glam Pam, everybody. Let's go ahead and get started. Hey fam, we're gonna go ahead and start out with our first palette of the day. This is the Take Me Back to Brazil palette, and we're starting out with that kind of purple-ish magenta color, and this color is gonna go straight into our cut crease area. Now, when we apply this color, you really want to make sure that you have that cut crease area really defined because we're gonna add a whole bunch of other colors and we don't necessarily want them to mix. So now we're switching colors in the same palette. Now we're going for that bubblegum pink, and this color is going to be blended into the magenta, but it's going to go upwards towards our brow bone. So now that we have both our colors blended seamlessly, we're going to go ahead and we're going to switch to another color in that same palette. And this time we're going for that super dark purple. And this color is also going to go in the cut crease, but it's going to go a little bit lower because you want the dark purple, that magenta purple, and then that pink. So you want 3 different colors to be shown there. So now we're going to go ahead and start to cut our crease. This is the Revolution Refine and Define Concealer in C1. And I really like this concealer. I say this all the time, but I really love this concealer because it's super thick and opaque. So I went ahead and applied a small amount on my crease. I looked up just to see where that line was going to be, and then I finished the line. Now, since we've cut our crease, we're actually going to go ahead and start a different color. The infamous baby poop green makes its return. Yes, we're using the baby poop green, and this is going to go basically all over where the crease is because it's going to be an ombre. So it's going to go from that baby poop green in the inner corners, and then it's going to fade out to that dark purple again. So now we're going to go ahead and start to feather out our endings. We're going back into that magenta purple, and we're just going to apply this basically to the end point where that baby poop green is. That way it fades into each other. There's not like a super harsh line, because we definitely don't want that. So now that we've started our faded magenta purple, now we're going to go into that darker purple, and this is basically just going to go in the outside corner. That way everything blends in. You don't, like I said, you don't want to see a hard line between that baby poop green and when your purple starts to show. You kind of just want everything to be soft. So this is how my eyeshadow base is looking so far. I'm pretty pleased with it. I have a nice transition. So now I'm going to go ahead, do my eyeliner, add my lashes, do my face, and I'm going to be right back. And we are back. Now I went ahead and added a little bit of a silver liner, like a silver glitter liner. I didn't show that, but you know, yeah. So now we're going to go ahead and finish the look. We're adding our standard black pencil liner, and this is just going to go underneath our waterline. Now I'm taking a brush with that leftover product on there, that dark purple, and I'm just going to add this underneath our bottom lash line. Now we're going to go ahead and start to add our highlight. This is the Kiss Professional Shimmer Palette, and we're adding it to our nose, our inner tear ducts, and our brow bone. And just so we can bring the glitter around full circle, we're going in with our base booster, and this is going to go in the inner tear ducts, and then we're going to go ahead and add some of that leftover glitter inside the tear ducts. Now for our lips, we're going in for a natural look. So this is our lip liner by Nabi. This is the color Hot Cocoa. It's kind of like a nice brown. And I'm only going to outline my lips, and then I'm going to go ahead with a clear gloss and apply that on top. This will help blend out those hard lines, because we don't want the super dark brown line there. So we're going to blend it with the gloss. And then I'm going to go ahead with our yellow glitter gloss. This is by AOA Studios. This is the diamond gloss. It is called Glitz, and we're only going to add a little bit of that, and the look is complete. Ladies, let me know what you guys think about this look in the comments. Like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.